Hello and welcome to Jainixi Watch Unboxing. I'm your friend Ashvin, and today we're diving into a detailed review of the stunning Pagani Design GMT Master. Is this a value-for-money timepiece? Does it truly satisfy the high expectations it sets? Stay tuned, because in this video we'll explore every detail, from the dial design to the premium materials used in its construction. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Regular watch reviews like these will help you take your watch collection to the next level. Let's start by admiring the Pagani Design GMT Master. With its remarkable design, it's clear that the watch draws heavy inspiration from the iconic Rolex GMT Master II, but it stands on its own as an affordable masterpiece. The watch boasts a 316L stainless steel case, known for its high resistance to corrosion and impeccable finish. The Jubilee bracelet further enhances its premium appearance. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures durability and clarity under direct sunlight. The watch is protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, known for its durability and clarity. Sapphire is one of the hardest materials, ensuring your watch stays pristine even after daily wear. Anti-reflective coating crystal reduces glare, ensuring a clear view of the dial under any lighting. Cyclops magnified date window not only enhances readability, but also adds a touch of sophistication, blending seamlessly with the overall design. Now moving to the heart of the watch, the dial. This is where the Pagani Design GMT Master truly shines. Hour markers. The 12 o'clock position features a bold, triangular marker, ensuring clear orientation. At 9 o'clock and 6 o'clock, you'll find rectangular markers providing balance and symmetry. The remaining hour markers are circular indices, all with applied silver borders and filled with luminous material for excellent legibility in the dark. The lume is a mix of blue and white tones, glowing brightly and evenly for extended durations. The Mercedes-style hour hand is broad and distinct, designed for easy readability with a luminous patch. The minute hand extends precisely to the minute markers, ensuring accuracy when reading the time. The second hand is sleek, with a lollipop-style luminous dot near its tip, adding an elegant touch. The GMT hand, painted in vibrant red with an arrowhead tip, perfectly aligns with the 24-hour bezel markers. This feature allows effortless tracking of a second time zone. The Pagani Design logo is prominently placed below the 12 o'clock marker. The dial also includes 4 lines of text above the 6 o'clock position, GMT, in red font. Automatic. Water-resistant 10 bar/100 meters. These details are cleanly printed, adding to the professional aesthetic of the watch. The bezel of the Pagani Design GMT Master is a Pepsi-style design, with a striking color combination of blue and red. This style is iconic and instantly recognizable, paying homage to the legendary Rolex GMT Master II. The blue on the top half of the bezel and the red on the bottom half are the signature colors that define the Pepsi bezel. The blue represents daylight hours, and the red indicates nighttime hours, making it easy to differentiate between the two. This color combination also adds a dynamic, sporty aesthetic to the watch. The bezel has 24-hour markings around its circumference, which correspond to the GMT hand. These markers are clearly legible, with bold numerals that stand out against the colored background. The textured nature of the bezel also provides a firm grip, ensuring easy rotation even while wearing gloves. The bezel is unidirectional, meaning it can only rotate clockwise. This feature prevents accidental changes to the time zone, which is crucial for tracking your second time zone reliably. The bezel clicks smoothly into place, offering satisfying feedback with each turn. The Pepsi bezel isn't just about looks. It serves a functional purpose as part of the GMT function, making it a key feature for those who travel across time zones or need to track 2 time zones simultaneously. The case of the Pagani Design GMT Master is crafted from 316L stainless steel, renowned for its durability and resistance to scratches. It measures 40.3 millimeters without the crown, perfect for most wrist sizes, 12.9 millimeters in thickness, giving it a sleek yet sturdy presence. Lug-to-lug distance of 48 millimeters, ensuring a comfortable fit. The sides of the case are polished to a mirror-like finish, while the top features vertical brushing, creating a refined contrast. The screw-down crown at 3 o'clock is appropriately sized and engraved with the Pagani Design logo. Now, let's talk about the bracelet, which is another highlight of this watch, the Jubilee bracelet. This bracelet is the perfect complement to the Pagani Design GMT Master, offering both comfort and luxury. The bracelet is made from 316L stainless steel, just like the case, ensuring strength and durability. The outer links of the bracelet are brushed, which gives it a more rugged matte texture, while the center links are mirror polished. This polished finish stands out, adding a touch of elegance and making the watch look even more refined. The brush finish on the sides of the links also helps reduce scratches, maintaining a clean look over time. The Jubilee bracelet is renowned for its comfort, and this one doesn't disappoint. The bracelet is flexible, rattle-free, and features screw-down links for easy adjustment, fitting comfortably on the wrist and providing a smooth, ergonomic fit. The 5-piece links are smaller and more closely spaced, which helps with flexibility, making it feel lighter and more adjustable. It's ideal for daily wear, offering a mix of durability and comfort. The bracelet comes with screw-down joints, which makes resizing incredibly easy. Whether you're adjusting the bracelet to fit your wrist size or swapping out links, the screw-down design allows you to quickly and securely remove or add links. This feature eliminates the need for traditional pin and collar systems, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free resizing experience. The clasp is designed to mimic the Rolex Oyster-type clasp, offering a secure yet easily adjustable fit. The single-side folding clasp ensures that the watch stays in place while also being simple to operate. The clasp is solid and robust, with a firm locking mechanism that prevents accidental openings. It's a great feature for those who like their watches to stay secure on their wrist, even during more active moments. This watch features a pearl movement GG533, based on the reliable Miyota architecture. It offers approximately 41 hours of power reserve and smooth bidirectional winding. For those curious, this movement's balance wheel and escapement are manufactured by Pearl, while other components are Miyota-made. A great combination of reliability and innovation. One of the most captivating features of this watch is its transparent caseback. You can admire the movement inside, and trust me, it's nothing short of mesmerizing. Through the crystal, you'll see the intricate gears and springs of the Pearl GMT movement at work. The detailing on the movement is impressive, with each component finely crafted and finished. This transparent back adds a layer of sophistication, making it feel like you're not just wearing a watch, but rather a piece of art. Watching the movement in motion is not only satisfying but almost hypnotic, a true testament to Pagani Design's attention to craftsmanship. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the exact steps for setting the GMT function on this watch. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. If you'd like to buy this watch, feel free to contact me directly or leave a comment. You can also find the purchase link in the description. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the Pagani Design GMT Master, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Feel free to ask any questions about the watch in the comments section. I'll be happy to help. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you love watches, and let's explore the world of horology together. See you in the next video, where we'll learn how to set the GMT function.